I should be done soon. Oh no, I need to do the chicken. I've never cooked inasal before. And then I'm gonna put the marinade in, which is not this. Hi. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a challenge, and the challenge is being my family's personal chef for 24 hours. Today I'm gonna be cooking some Filipino food, and one of them is gonna be chicken inasal, and another one is gonna be pork barbecue. I've already started prepping a tiny bit. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the process of every meal that I'm gonna do. So let's go. The recipe that I'm gonna be following is panlasang Pinoy. I've never cooked inasal before, so I really don't know if this is gonna go well, but surely if I follow the instructions, it'll be fine, right? Well, I just realized that I've not made slices in my chicken. So for the marinade, I need nor, ginger, garlic, and lemongrass. So I'm gonna go get that right now. So in here, I've already pounded a bit of lemongrass, but I'm gonna carry on doing it a little bit more. I am not looking forward to cutting up garlic. Okay, so I think we're all good. Let's keep moving. Okay, now I have to do the really boring part and cut these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, yes! I've just realized that I do not need to dice the garlic. I just need to crush them! Woo! It says I need 6 thumbs of ginger, so do it like that. Okay, so I have all the ingredients that I need. Here's where I'm gonna put the marinade in. Ooh, the ginger going in now. The garlic. Pop that in. So this is what the marinade is looking like. I'm gonna give it a little mix. Mix the marinade, and now I'm going to just clear the working station a bit. I have to clean as I go, so. I also don't know why I've decided to do this challenge today, but I should be done soon. Oh no, I need to do the chicken. No, it's the worst freaking bit. I hate touching chicken, guys. Oh my god, there's a spoon left. And voila. Guys, I have to do the chicken. I have to wash the chicken now. Sorry guys, I only deal with like chicken breasts. I don't really use legs and stuff, so I don't know. I'm gonna report back after it's done. Okay, I am back, and there she is, the clean chicken. I actually watched a tutorial on how to clean chicken. But anywho, now I'm going to pop the chicken in the microwave. Huh? What? Now I'm gonna chop. Touching chicken has made me go insane. Oh. And now I think back to all the dishes that my mum has prepared with chicken legs, and I just want to say thank you, mum. That's one of the many ways a mum shows her love to her children. Touching raw chicken and preparing that, all with love. So now the next step is to marinate the chicken. So I'm gonna pop 2 chickens. And this one, another 2 here. I really don't want to touch the chicken. So what I'm going to do is grab it. It's in there. It's executed brilliantly. Literally going to do the same thing. Woo! So I just realized that I've not made slices in my chicken. Yay! Love that for me! I'm just gonna show you the basting sauce that I'm doing. I just need to sieve it and then put turmeric and butter. Okay, I'm gonna go to the gym now. I'll update you later. I'm back from the gym, and next up I'm gonna make pork barbecue. Okay, I've cut all the pork, and now it's time to season it. I'm following this recipe on TikTok. First up, I need Sprite, soy sauce, lemon juice, banana ketchup, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and last but not least, brown sugar. Now I'm just gonna mix it. It smells nice. Okay guys, so we have the grill. Charcoal. Came with this little brush. I needed to wash it though. Ta-da! Right, well it's time to get the chicken. Bag number 1. Bag number 2. Yeah, look at this form. I'm gonna carry on doing this until it's cooked, and then when it's done, I'll show you guys what it looks like. I didn't do all the barbecues because I wanted to save some for tomorrow. And we're done cooking. Let me show you what it looks like. Now the question is, does it taste good? We'll have to see.
Yes. Thank you. Inasal. Oh.
What?
Nice. Sarap.
Woo!
Sarap talaga.
Let's try it, guys. Mmm. Mmm.
Worth it. Worth it.
Hi! So it's actually the next day, and I thought since my challenge yesterday was a little bit short, actually it took the whole day, but I'm going to do a little bit more today just to make up for it. Today, I'm going to cook the rest of the pork barbecue. I'm also doing a peri mango kind of vibe. Let's see how that goes. And then, get this, I am also going to attempt to make 2 small cakes. One for my sister and one for my boyfriend. One is going to be Kinder Bueno and the other one is going to be strawberry. Will I succeed? I don't know. It's a pretty busy day and it is already 2:30 in the afternoon, so we're cooked. Let's go! So the first step will be to put the pork barbecue meat on the sticks. And then I'm going to cut up some more meat and marinate that with the rest of the sauce, just to not waste it. Okay, so this is the barbecue meat. Open it up. Ooh, usually find the fatty pieces for the end. There you go. That was an easy one, guys. Do you guys prefer a fatty piece or meaty one? Okay, first stick, Zanza. Woo! So these are the ones that we've managed to put on the sticks. So now my helper here, I'm just showing him how to cut the pork shoulders. Like this, you see? He's now cut the rest of the meat, and now we're gonna let this marinate for a couple hours. So my next task is to prepare the chicken. I said yesterday I wouldn't touch chicken again, and this is the recipe that I'm gonna be following. I've never tried that recipe before, but let's try some new things. I'm gonna use this Ninja blender to blend the ingredients. Okay, so first off, I need half red pepper and half green pepper. I'm gonna go wash these. All washed. I'm gonna pop it in here. Here we go. Next up, I need half an onion. 6 cloves of garlic. 6. I don't actually have mango puree, but I have mango chutney, which I suppose can probably do the same thing. So 2.5 tablespoons. Might put 3. And a tablespoon of vinegar. Paprika. Mixed herbs. 3 tablespoons of oil. Martin's getting the grill ready. Yeah, I'm back in my Ihawan hoodie. Here we go again. Chicken is done here. And then I'm gonna put the marinade in, which is not this. Just have to spray the sink and clean it. This is the marinade. Friend Martin has cooked first batch of barbecue. They look so good. That is so good. Not to toot my own horn. Oh my god, it's already 4 p.m. and I still have not started on the cake. Anyways. And voila, marinated chicken. Woo! Now it's time to do the rice. It never ends. Starting on the cake now. I need a cup of flour. I'm gonna do 1/4 of this cocoa. Next, we need a cup of warm milk. Need to whisk the eggs and sugar. Jump scare. Let me put some color on my lips. I need to whisk it until it's pale and fluffy. It's not either of the two yet, so. Oh yeah. We're getting there! I've finished mixing all the ingredients together. This is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna put it in the baking tin. I'm not gonna lie guys, the cake is looking pretty good, but it is also looking pretty big for the tin. Should be fine. I've made some Kinder Bueno icing. Butter, icing sugar, and melted Kinder Bueno. Okay guys, apologies if I look absolutely shattered, but I've done a cake. It's not that great. So here it is, grand reveal. Ta-da! It's literally 7 p.m. I've not even started on the other cake yet. Happy birthday!
Very much. It's sweet, but not too sweet.
Okay, good. I'm glad. The cake is disappearing minute by minute. Guys, success.
I could easily burger it.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.